Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something truly wonderful for your skin, and guess what? You probably already have the main ingredients in your kitchen. We're diving into the amazing world of natural skincare using oats and honey. Forget complicated chemical concoctions. Sometimes, the best solutions are simple and straight from nature. Let's start with oats. When I say oats, I'm talking about plain, old-fashioned rolled oats, not the instant, sugary kind. Oats are incredible for your skin for a few key reasons. First, they're super soothing. If you've ever had itchy skin or a rash, you might have heard of oatmeal baths. That's because oats contain compounds called avenanthramides, which are natural anti-inflammatories. They help calm irritated, red, or itchy skin, making them perfect for sensitive or easily bothered complexions. Second, oats are a gentle exfoliator. When you mix them with a little liquid, they form a soft, slightly gritty texture that can help gently buff away dead skin cells without being too harsh. This reveals fresh, brighter skin underneath, leaving your face feeling smooth and soft. Plus, they're fantastic moisturizers. Oats create a protective barrier on your skin, helping to lock in moisture and prevent dryness. Now, let's bring in the star's partner, honey. And when I say honey, I mean raw, unpasteurized honey if you can get it, because it retains more of its natural goodness. Honey is another skincare powerhouse. It's a natural humectant, which is a fancy way of saying it attracts and holds onto moisture. So, when you put honey on your skin, it helps keep it hydrated and plump. Beyond hydration, honey is also a natural antibacterial and antiseptic. This means it can help fight off those pesky bacteria that contribute to breakouts, making it a great ally for acne-prone skin. It can also aid in the healing of minor blemishes or cuts, thanks to its soothing and protective qualities. So, how do you use these natural wonders? It's super easy. For a soothing and exfoliating face mask, simply take a couple of tablespoons of finely ground oats. You can grind them in a blender or coffee grinder, and mix them with about a tablespoon of raw honey and a tiny bit of water or milk until you form a paste. Apply it to your clean face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then gently rinse with warm water, massaging in circular motions for that gentle exfoliation. This dynamic duo can leave your skin feeling incredibly soft, calm, and naturally radiant. It's a testament to how simple, natural ingredients can be incredibly effective for beautiful, healthy skin. Give it a try, and let me know how your skin feels.